Hello, I am Chef H. Delgado. I am passionate about Spanish gastronomy, and since 2019 I have shared through my website chefhdelgado.com the best dishes and curiosities of the Spanish gastronomy. In this course, you will learn about the main ingredient you need for Spanish cuisine, the story and the origin behind the word tapas, and I will teach you how to cook easy and traditional tapas step by step. You will learn how to treat each product, the point of cooking and preparation, and how to present your tapas. This course is for all Spanish cuisine lovers and professionals that want to learn about the classic of Spanish gastronomy. This masterclass brings you the more authentic and easy way to prepare this tasty selection of Spanish delight. Enjoy and have a tasty day!